Hello everyone, myself Hemangi Bhure. My project topic is prepare a chart on welding joints. Let's study the process of welding. Welding is a fabrication or sculptural process that joins material, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. Welding also requires a form of shield to protect the filter metals or melted metals from being contaminated or oxidized. As opposed to brazing and soldering, which do not melt the base metal, welding is a high heat process which melts the base material. Typically, with the addition of a filter material, the high heat causes a weld pool of molten material which cools to form the joint, which can be stronger than the parent material. मेटल्सचे दोन वेगवेगळे पार्ट्स हाय हीट प्रोव्हाइड करून काही इक्विपमेंट्सच्या हेल्पने एकमेकांना कंबाईंड केले जातात आणि त्यानंतर ते कूल करून एक जॉईंट जॉब फॉर्म केला जातो. या प्रोसेसलाच वेल्डिंग असे म्हणतात. वेल्डिंग ही एक हाय हीट प्रोसेस असल्यामुळे जे बेस मेटल्स सोल्डरिंग आणि ब्रासिंगला अपोज करतात अशा मेटल्सला मेल्ट करण्यासाठी वेल्डिंगचा यूज केला जातो आणि आफ्टर वेल्डिंग हे जॉईन केलेले मेटल्स त्या पॅरेंट मेटलपेक्षा जास्त स्ट्रॉंग होतात. Literature review. To prepare the project, I used to read following contents. I read Unit 5 of Joining Process from the textbooks of Manufacturing Process. Next, I learn a book, Learn to Weld, Beginning MIG Welding and Metal Fabrication Basics. Its author are Christina and Stephen. Next book is Welding Fundamentals. Author are William A. I take a guidance from subject teacher and seniors of third year mechanical. Now we are going to study about all basic welding joints. Types of welded joints. There are 5 different types of welded joints for bringing two parts together for joining. 5 types of welded joints are butt joint, corner joint, lap joint, T-joint and edge joint. What is butt joint? In butt welded type, the parts lie in the same plane and are joined at their edges. दोन मेटल पार्ट्स जे एकाच प्लेनमध्ये लाय करतात आणि आपल्याला त्यांना त्यांच्या एज जॉईंट्स करायच्या असतात तेव्हा आपण बट जॉईंटचा यूज करतो. सेकंड इज कॉर्नर जॉईंट. द पार्ट्स इन कॉर्नर जॉईंट फॉर्म अ राईट अँगल अँड आर जॉईंट ॲट द सेंटर ऑफ द अँगल. मेटल्सचे दोन पार्ट जॉईंट करताना त्यामध्ये राईट अँगल फॉर्म होतो आणि त्या अँगलच्या सेंटरमध्ये आपल्याला ते जॉईंट करावे लागतात. त्या जॉईंटलाच कॉर्नर जॉईंट असे म्हणतात. द थर्ड बेसिक जॉईंट इज अ लॅप जॉईंट. लॅप जॉईंट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 2 ओव्हरलॅपिंग पार्ट्स. दोन ओव्हरलॅपिंग पार्ट्स वेल्ड करताना यूज केला जाणारा जॉईंट म्हणजेच लॅप जॉईंट. नाऊ व्हॉट इज टी जॉईंट? In a T-joint, one joint is the right angle to the other joint in the approximate shape of the letter T. दोन मेटल पार्ट्सपैकी एक पार्ट हॉरिझॉन्टल केला असता त्यावर दुसरा पार्ट वेल्ड करताना तो राईट अँगल फॉर्म करतो आणि याचा शेप दिसताना टी लेटरसारखा दिसतो. या जॉईंटला टी जॉईंट म्हणतात. अँड द लास्ट बेसिक वेल्डिंग जॉईंट इज अ एज जॉईंट. द पार्ट्स इन एज जॉईंट आर पॅरलल विथ द at least one of their edges in common and the joint is made at the common edges. दोन मेटल पार्ट्स जॉईंट करताना दोन कॉमन एज पॅरलल असताना त्या एज वेल्ड केल्या जातात तेव्हा एज जॉईंट फॉर्म होतो. Let's study about the basic equipment used in welding process. To get started in the basics of welding, you need a welder electrodes, feeds and safety gear. But before you start, it might be a good idea to take a class or find an expert who can teach you how to weld. If you fail to learn the basic safety requirements, you can seriously burn yourself or damage your eyes. The process of welding joints metal together by melting two pieces of metal at a seam and creating a joint. List of basic equipment for welding. TIG and MIG welders, charged electrode wire and electrode feed, other tools and safety equipment. The most important point we have to keep in mind during welding process is welding safety precautions. Basic welding safeties are: always wear a proper face shield, always wear closed-toe shoes, wear a long-sleeved non-flammable shirt, wear proper welding gloves, always wear ear protection or ear plugs to prevent sparks from entering your air canal. An eardrum punctured by a spark will instantly cauterize and never heal. Never weld on or near anything that's been cleaned with a chlorinated hydrocarbon like brake cleaner. When combined with UV light, chlorinated hydrocarbons can create phosgen gas which can cause serious injuries or death. Ventilation will not prevent poisoning. My project is to prepare a chart on welding joints. So let me tell you all that how I actually prepared my project. First, I study about what is welding and various types of welding joints. Then I collect various information about welding joints with the help of books, internet and guide teacher. Then I make suitable action plan. The project is a group project, so I divided all works in team. Then I prepare a suitable reports about project, learn about welding joints in a welding workshop. I study how to weld various joints of welding. Then I refer all above information in printout form. I make a design of flakes by using above information and then at last make a proper flakes of basic types of welding joints. While making this project, I learned so many skills and developed in it myself. Organizing and planning skill, decision making, problem solving, communication skills, influencing skills, feedback skill, skill in chairing meetings and conflict resolution. I referred some websites, some books and take help from some person to prepare my project like google.com, YouTube, MSBT, Wikipedia, manufacturing process textbooks of mechanical engineering 4th SEM and manufacturing process reference books. Thank you to watch this video.